Hello everyone and welcome to the iconic Wilton Manors. I'm in the parking lot here on Wilton Drive in front of the Alibi, where I will be discussing the top 3 gay clubs to visit in Wilton Manors. This is half my personal opinion and half statistical analysis. I would say that the Alibi is not number 1. In fact, we're gonna say it's number 3 of the top 3. Not too shabby. I might even say it's number 2. I don't know, we're gonna get to the final ranking at the end, but I used to work here, so I figured this would be a good place to start the video. I'm not allowed on the premises anymore because I'm an ex-employee and my ex-boyfriend still works there and he feels uncomfortable when I go around. They asked me to leave last time I was there, so we're gonna hang out here in the parking lot. Yeah, there it is, the Alibi, or the full name of it is Georgie's Alibi Monkey Bar. George's Alibi and Monkey Bar. And I don't know what's going on right now. It looks kind of dead right now, but it's Saturday morning. I should point that out. This place gets pretty lit on Thursdays and Wednesdays. And I don't know, Latin night maybe. This is the best place to go for happy hour. They have 2-for-1 drinks every day and a menu that would make the Cheesecake Factory menu look small. It's got everything from pizza to Chinese food to wings and burgers to Mexican quesadillas. Really anything that you could want, you could get it here at the Alibi. We are in the same vicinity as our next destination, which would be Hunters, which honestly, I guess we can just walk over there right now. This is Wilton Plaza, the shops at Wilton Manors. It's kind of a place where you can get sushi at TJ Thai Sushi or buy jock straps, I guess. I don't know. They obviously, the businesses here cater to the LGBTQ+ community, which unfortunately I am a member of. And here we get to our second destination, which is gonna be Hunter's Nightclub. They often party right here on the street, and I would say it gets pretty busy out here. So Hunters and the Alibi don't charge a cover. So you could go there and not pay an entrance fee. We got some people dancing out here in front of Hunters. Yes, work, slay. We're making a video on the top 3 bars in Wilton.
Top 3 bars.
Alibi, Hunters, and the Manor.
And the Manor.
There we go. All right, so we're gonna go to the Manor. That's probably number 1.
Number 1.
Come back tonight.
Right. Huh?
Come back later tonight.
Yeah,
To here?
Yeah, to Hunter.
The Manor is
The
open until
Manor.
5 in the morning.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you guys around. Thank you for.
Have fun.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Yeah, nice people. I've only been here to Hunters a couple of times, mostly on Sundays when I'm invited. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's a little bit of an older crowd. It's not like the Manor, where we're gonna go to the Manor next, and that's gonna be our number 1 destination. That one's a younger clientele, if I'm being honest with you, but not that we practice ageism around here. We love our daddies around here. They keep the economy going. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if I should film the entire walk to the Manor, but I guess I could. I'm a social media man. And yeah. Okay, so we're just whatever. So this is, you can see a full tour of Wilton Manors, I guess, now. Things that I guess honorable mention that don't make the top 3: the pub, which is like a direct competitor to the Alibi here across the street. The pub, located right there with the blue awning or whatever, so the Alibi has a $5 burger on Monday. The pub has a $5 burger on Monday. Alibi's got a $6 chicken sandwich on Tuesday and a Taco Tuesday deal. The pub has a $6 chicken sandwich and Taco Tuesday deal. And yeah, they kind of copy each other. I don't know who I'm more loyal to. I was fired from I quit the Alibi. They didn't fire me, actually, but I'm still 86 and never allowed to return. But I guess I'm still more loyal to them than the pub. Never really been to the pub that much. I have been to Gym Bar, though. Gym Bar is a sports bar. They have a Taco Tuesday deal as well. I think it's like $1 per taco. Not too bad. And we are almost to our number 3 destination, which is the Manor Nightclub. I used to come to the Manor when I was 16, 17, sneaking in. I didn't have a fake ID, but I had a friend who knew the manager or owner or something, so it was never really a problem. Yeah, I haven't been back since New Year's of 2 years ago, because the Manor Nightclub, unlike the other ones I discussed, does charge a cover fee. Typically around $20, $15 if you are a Florida resident and can prove that with your ID. And there it is right there. Bam! The Manor. Usually on Friday night and Saturday night, you'll see a very long line out here. Right now, it is the daytime, so there isn't a line. And during the week, it is not the Manor. It is the venue where people have like bar mitzvahs and wedding rehearsals and stuff using the space. But Friday and Saturday, it is a gay discotheque mecca. I would say, there it is. Oh, the fond memories of smoking cigarettes up on that patio. I don't know if people are allowed up there anymore. I don't think I've been here since COVID, honestly. And when I think that the patio was not, it was off limits. It was not on limits. It was out of limits. So yeah, this is it. This is the Manor, where we'll end our video. Oh. So yes, the Manor is kind of like a cultural icon. It is a place where many DJs and drag queens and people come to express themselves and be free. It's kind of crazy that my first time coming here was like, honestly, like 14 years ago. Let's not do the math together on that one. Instead, let's just appreciate what good weather it is and how much fun we're having. Number 1, the Manor. Beware though, they do charge a cover. The dancing is great, the DJs are great, and the people skew younger, which I can't say the same for Hunter's. Alibi is going to be a mixed crowd, middle. Everyone's welcome there. And thank you very much for joining me today. You guys have a blessed weekend.